Hello friends, in today's video we will discuss about Dogecoin, whether it will go down or up. What should be our strategy? We should buy now or not? So let's start. First of all, I will show you the weekly chart of Dogecoin, and I will discuss some important support and resistance level, and after that I will tell you whether you should buy or not. So first of all, its first resistance will be around 0.314. This line, 1 second. I want to show you this about the here, and it will face its first resistance around 0.35, 0.34, and the second resistance, if it breaks this resistance with volume, you must look at its volume. If it's break, then it can even move down. It can go up but to its lifetime high level, which is around 0.75. So it's its second target. If it's break this level, then only it will go to that level, otherwise no. So you have to keep an eye on this. And what should be a strategy now? Yeah, later I already have discussed the support and resistance, but now I will share you the I will tell you the strategy. What should be your strategy? So first of all, you will look at the Bollinger Band, and according to Bollinger Band, there is very low volatility in this coin. And if there is high chances that first of all, it can anytime it can touch its first resistance level. Very soon it will touch its first resistance level, and it may take it may bounce back from there, and again it can come back to its this red line support. So soon it will touch, according to me, soon it will touch around 0. Its first resistance around 0.34, 0.334, and then it can bounce back. If it successfully closes above this resistance, then it will touch higher level. And when you will look at its chart daily candlesticks pattern, the graph is looking very bullish. Why I am saying this? Because Bollinger Band is going upward, which simply means this coin is in uptrend bullish mode. And as you can see, for 3 days back, there was a formation of 4 days back, there was a formation of this type of big candle with closing and its closing was touching the Bollinger Band line upper level. So this means that this coin is very bullish. Dogecoin is very bullish, and in upcoming times it can give you a good amount of returns. And if you want to trade with stop loss, then I will tell you that you should keep this stop loss, this red line, as your stop loss. If this coin closes below this, then you have to exit from this coin. You have to keep this point in this mind, in your mind. Why? I will show you the history of how this coin has performed. See, it closes above 20. It's called 20-day SMA, middle line, red line. When it closes above, it touches a Bollinger Band upper level. See, upper level, then it may again fell down, and then it takes support near this and again go up. So what you can understand, that this red line is may act as a good support. And if this coin will break, or any other coin in market will break this red line, see here it breaks, it gives closing below this line, and see what type of fall you have seen. It was trading around 0.29, and it takes the support around 0.18, and then only it reverses. So this line is very important to you as a stop loss. And even I trade like this, because and my losses are very less, and my profit is very high. So if you want to earn more profit and you want to minimize your loss, then I will tell you, you should take position above this line, 20-day SMA, and as a stop loss you have to keep this. And you have to keep one thing in mind, that this graph should be in uptrend. It should look like that it is going upward, like stairs. You have seen that stairs looks always trend to upward. So this graph always should look that it should be going upward always. So according to me, you can make position right now, but you should do your own analysis before buying and selling, because it's my personal opinion. I may be wrong, but according to me, this must give a bounce back at correct in upcoming time. And first of all, it may face a small resistance around this. This is 4-hour candlestick pattern, which can be used for small time for small targets and levels, small target. But for long run, in long run, this coin is looking bullish. So you must do your own research before buying and selling. According to me, it is bullish, and I have already a good amount of also trading in this coin. So you must do your own research before buying and selling. If you like the video, you must like the video and subscribe the channel.